kalau meli pelun sports club bat kiwe. Hadian bo non show wat tang shibanai na kebenta bangin poisha kebenta kebaning kong Jong ka jing tap vote. Kajala ka Samla samhoi kajala mekhalia Jingsngew ba ka jingbom yo kam yo jam kadei ka bakong san hakane ka election. Kajala mekhalia ka don buon ba kinong shong shnong ki badei ki Samla bat kumta ka jingpelet Jingmut ka bakam kerpang kadei Halor kilat yo kam yo jam. Tungin isngap yakini ki khubor.
Ki puar badang sidam nila sakhi bun teli kiseng balang ki balami surok man la ki tab bat dawa bat kentu ya ka sarkar ban pej bat kimi khamtam ya ki mat ki baidai bat ki Samla samhoi ki bamla ban yo ya ki kam ki jang ki babyang ha kan ni gejala ha ubenai baladam ha ka puar baladon ka dor bar mang tingka uminti rang ba ka jela u konrat ki sangma ulaya thu apo ka yeng dor bar thawan ka jela ba ka jingbam yo kam yo jam apo ka jela megalia ka long kumbal lai na ka sispa kat bah ka riboro ka wei ka long sau punyo na ka sispa.
Unemployment is one of the main issues, especially when we look in Meghalaya. I mean, like, as a student, I'm a master's student, like after this, I'm not sure where will I land it up because there's no job at all. So unemployment is one of the main issues.
Most of the legislature, they always raise the issue regarding the issue like the youth will all face in getting the opportunity, a job here and there. And we do hope in this election, each candidate will help to raise the issue so that the government will try to find a way for the youth to get the jobs for the youth, the best opportunities for the youth.
Kajing bam yo kam yo jam ki Samla no ong bakan de kamat ka bakrau tam ha kan ni ka election lok sabha ka baminta kiseng sanhi masima kum ka seng kongres ki khang kodong badhale bersha ya ki mudi ki guarantee Halor ki subsidi bat ki scheme ha ka bakaseng kongres kala terwasan tli ki jungkular ya ki Samla.
Probably I can't think of employment because that's only like the main to do what after we finish our college, after we graduate and all that.
As a student, after we passed the exam, so in the exam, but we did not get any job.
Laru ban pen pawang ni bakasarkar Meghalaya kala kentiu ya karta yo kam yo jam sakalai pu asnam karta na kabentaki kertong pai ba bat sakalai pu news nam karta na kabentaki riulum na kabenta ban yo ya ki kam sarkar ya kan ni unsa pentri kam habaro ki tanat sarkar lai no apat ha ki sautli ki tanat ka sarkar jilla kum ka civil defense bat home guards excise registration taxation and stamp forest bat environment bat home police bureau report di Meghalaya.
Mentang ini pe ya ke junlang jeman ke sim neng hanong ba